Hello lovelies, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are stopping here for the first time, you are welcome. And to my returning subscribers, you are welcome back once again. So if you are an international student considering studying nursing abroad, this video is for you. As you must have seen from the title, I will be breaking down to you the step-by-step method on how you can become a registered nurse in Switzerland. And towards the end of this video, I'll be giving you a bonus as I'll be sharing with you some of the best universities in Switzerland where you can study nursing at a bachelor's or master's degree level. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Nursing will be a great profession for you if you are someone who is concerned with helping others. In fact, practicing as a nurse gives you a rewarding experience that will allow you to make a difference in the lives of people. This is because in the nursing profession, you will be dealing with different aspects of patient care. So if you are the type who cares about improving the well-being of other people, helping those who are sick to be comfortable as possible, or even bringing a new life into this world, I would guess doing a course in nursing wouldn't be a bad idea at all for you. So if you desire to pursue a career in nursing in Switzerland and you are aspiring to climb the ladder and be successful in this field, then you need to obtain a nursing degree from one of the higher institutions of learning in the country. Switzerland is a home to many world-renowned universities, and nursing programs are not exempted. The nursing programs here are highly respected, and Switzerland produces some of the best nurses in the world. So you find more and more students trooping into the country from all over the world, choosing to study nursing here. This is as a result of the excellent curriculum of study, which basically covers all the major and essential subjects for nurses. Basically, nursing programs at Switzerland University offer both undergraduate and graduate degree, which are open for both local and foreign students at low and affordable tuition fees. The tuition fee is low because Switzerland invests heavily in the education of future nurses and other medical courses and highly subsidizes the fees. So if you are considering studying in Switzerland, the first thing you need to do is to research a university offering nursing courses or programs. There are many universities out there which offer bachelor's or master's degrees in nursing, but you must find out if that particular university is accredited. Then you have to check out what the requirements are for international students admissions. Most universities will basically require you to have a secondary school certificate or a bachelor's degree, depending on whether you are applying for an undergraduate or a graduate course. In addition to this, you will need to meet certain language requirements because English is often not the language of instructions in most of the universities here. Most often, bachelor's degree courses in nursing are taught completely in German. However, there are some exemptions like the nursing program in the University of Applied Sciences and Arts of Southern Switzerland, which is located in the Italian region of Switzerland, where the language of instruction is in Italian. While students applying to the University of Applied Sciences and Arts of Western Switzerland may study nursing either in German or French. Therefore, applicants may be required to have a certificate of proficiency of at least B2 level in one of these languages to be able to study nursing in Switzerland. Even though English may not be the language of instruction here, fluency in it will be a plus for you throughout the studying process. It is the location of the university which will determine the language that you need to be proficient in. So, if you are not already proficient in one of these languages, it is time to start studying. Don't let the language barrier stop you from achieving your dreams of becoming a nurse in Switzerland. Just with some more dedication and hard work, you can learn the necessary languages and fulfill all the requirements. Fortunately, there are many resources available to help you to learn a new language. I made a video on how to learn a new language. I will link it here in the comment section below and also on this video. There are online courses, applications, and programs that can aid and help you to learn a new language. Contrary to common belief, learning a foreign language does not have to be hard, especially if you are really motivated and you are driven by legitimate reasons to learn that language. However, I have good news for you. If you're interested in studying a nursing degree at a master's level, many universities and colleges offer English taught master's degree programs in nursing. And let me add this, some schools may require a certain GPA or entrance examination score, while others may be more flexible. It's always best to check with the school that you are interested in to see what their specific requirements are. Be sure to research all your options before you finally make your decisions. You will need to obtain a student visa if you are looking to study nursing in Switzerland. The application process is relatively straightforward, but there are a few key documents you need to submit. Firstly, you will need to fill out the online application form. In addition to basic personal information, you will also need to provide details about your educational background and your proposed program of study in Switzerland. Next, you need to gather some supporting documents. You will need a valid passport and passport-size photographs, as well as an acceptance letter from a Swiss nursing school. In addition to your application, you will need to submit evidence of your language proficiency and financial ability to live in Switzerland and also to pay for your tuition. Finally, be sure to include a CV and motivation letter with your application. Once you have all these materials put together, simply submit them online or through the Swiss embassy or consulate near you. Once your application is processed, you should receive your student visa in short order so that you can begin your studies in Switzerland. Thirdly, you finally finish a bachelor's degree in nursing and obtain a diploma. The duration of completing an undergraduate nursing program for a full-time student is 3 years. But Switzerland also offers a part-time setup for students, and this usually takes between 4 to 5 years to complete. Once you have completed a nursing program, you need to pass the national licensing exam, which is administered by the Swiss Nurses Association. The good thing about studying nursing in Switzerland is that after your program, there are great options for you to pursue your nursing profession here if you desire to. And because the country has a great shortage of healthcare professionals, there is high demand for nurses and other healthcare workers in this country. And you know what? Switzerland has a reputation for having one of the most outstanding healthcare systems in the world. And working here as a registered nurse offers you the opportunities and advantage that you cannot find easily in other European countries. So having obtained your license, you can now start working as a nurse in Switzerland. There are different sectors where nurses work: the hospitals, clinics, healthcare agencies, community health centers, or you can choose to specialize in a particular area of nursing, such as pediatrics or geriatrics. And if you're interested in going further, you can pursue a master's degree or PhD in nursing. Yes, I have not forgotten. I promised to give you a list of the best nursing schools in Switzerland. Number 1, the University of Applied Sciences and Arts of Western Switzerland, located in the Canton du Valais, where you can apply for your bachelor's degree. The second one is the Zurich University of Applied Sciences, which offers bachelor's and master's programs in nursing. Thirdly, the Bern University of Applied Sciences, which offers both bachelor's and master's degree in nursing. Number 4, the University of Applied Sciences and Arts in Southern Switzerland, which offers first degree program in nursing. If you are interested in seeing more videos of other courses and programs available in Switzerland University, you can click on this video and I will see you over there. Love from Hilaric's World.